Dear Cheri, can you make cannabis cooking oil with vegetable oil? Thanks. Well, short answer to that one is yes, absolutely you can. Before I get to the longer answer about cannabis cooking oils, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And do me a huge favor, please hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos. Okay, so the question was, can you make cannabis cooking oil with vegetable oil? And of course, yes, absolutely you can. Any kind of edible oil can be infused with cannabis. And actually, even inedible oils could be, I guess, too, or oils that we don't typically just consume in cooking. But for topicals, you can infuse any kind of oil as well. What kind of oil it is doesn't really matter that much. I'm a foodie, so if I'm infusing oil for cooking, I will infuse whatever oil is going to work best in my recipe. If I'm cooking something Italian, that might be olive oil. I do like neutral oils, so vegetable oil would be a good choice for a neutral flavored oil that would go with just about anything, although personally I prefer avocado oil if I'm going for a neutral flavor oil. But it's all up to you. Any kind of edible oil will work. The important thing to keep in mind is that cannabinoids bind to fats, and oil is fat. So what type of oil, be it vegetable oil, olive oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, it really doesn't matter. Any of them can be infused and used successfully for cooking. I'm also going to put a coupon code below for anybody that's interested in learning more about cooking, and that will be to my comprehensive cannabis cooking online course. So check that out in the comments below. There's no quicker, easier way to get proficient and good at cannabis cooking and create the perfect edibles in perfect doses that you need. Hope this helps. See you all next time. Eat your weed.